Hello guys, we're at the water, the beach, of course. Of course I forgot my camera. But the water. We're right on the boardwalk. And I have this cute little outfit from Fashion Nova. Y'all hear the waves? I can let y'all see the waves. Redondo Landing. That's my drink. So good. No. He made that hella fast.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. You got chip salsa? Yeah. Please.
Yeah, please. You have the regular straw?
Huh?
A straw?
So?
Yeah. No, straw.
Oh, straw.
Yeah. Thank you. Boo, give me my drink so I can put some more in. Right. That's because it's not really. Hey y'all, hey. Hey now, hey. Anyway, we're about to chow down.
We could have gone downstairs and got a fried fish.
Man. I have a steak chimichanga, a beans, rice, guacamole, and sweet corn cake. And he got chicken wet burrito. It's giving. We should have got some other food. So, it's alright, I guess. Hi.
Would you like to pick a pearl?
Huh?
Would you like to pick a pearl?
No. What do? You just, how much is this?
$15 for each plus tax.
Oh, okay. So you pick these up and then there's something in there? Oh, interesting. Thank you. Pay $15 for a big pearl. And one of those clams, oysters.
What they gonna say?
Because where they get, when does all the oysters have one in it? They out here catching the fish and eating it right now. There's a lot of people outside fishing and eating. You got a bite.
I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit. My niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while. You can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too
So they're out of waffle cones, which sucks. I guess I didn't need it anyway, but yeah, they're out of it. shouldn't have ice cream anyway, but we're hanging out outside today. So that's why I got ice cream. But other than that, it's whatever. They're busy in here. So I'm glad that I ordered it online because the line is long out the door. Yeah, they're always busy. Hey y'all, good morning. Good morning. I hope this is working. Let me do that first. Because sometimes when I use my phone instead of my camera, the volume, the voice is gone. So I don't know. I have to figure out why it's doing that now. Because it used to didn't do that. And it never had a problem, but now it's doing that. And it's just so weird. But anyway, good morning. Do you have a stop sign? I'm on my way to the gym. Yes, I'm back to my gym life. I hope that I can stick it out. The goal is to stick it out. Please, no, do not do it. The goal is to stick it out, to make it a habit. So that's what I'm working on, making it a habit, doing it over and over. Oh, and I did my hair. I did. I still got like 4 braids left, but I had to get up and go to the gym. Otherwise, I would sit there, do my hair, and not go to the gym. So I'm headed to my gym, LA Fitness. I have Planet Fitness as well, but I like the sauna in LA Fitness, so I'm going to LA Fitness. Plus, LA Fitness has more equipment. It's a little bit bigger. So that's why I'm going there. And then later on, my husband is taking my son, and me and my daughter are gonna go find us a cute little place to have lunch at, because we've never done that. But we're gonna go find us a cute little place, have us some lunch, chill, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. But I just wanted to come in, stop in, introduce the video, introduce myself out. If I didn't say, it's Coley. Welcome to my channel. I am a mom, wife, mom, and you know, all around great person. Okay. I am Aries, so I don't know. Some people may want to know that, but I am an Aries, a March Aries at that. So hello, welcome to my channel. I do lifestyle content. I just do whatever makes me feel good, honestly. So you will probably see my family. You will see little things that we do. Most of the time, I'm just running errands or in the house. I don't go to a lot of parties and stuff like that, so you won't see me in the club. You won't see me like literally, I'm 42 years old. I may not look it, but I am 42 years old, so you won't see me in the club like that. You might see me at a bar, a lounge, or something like that, but you will not see me in the club. I'm not stepping in the club, even though my friends try to get me to go to the club, or one of my friends in particular tries to get me to go to the club, and it's just not my thing. But anyway, yeah, so welcome to my channel. I hope you like it here. I hope I am as authentic as I like to think that I am. I just do what makes me feel good, like I said. Okay, yeah, I ran up into Rouse and I forgot to record, but I bought this because I haven't ate anything, but I needed something on my stomach, and I didn't want to get anything that defeats the purpose of me coming. There's a lot of cholesterol in it, but it's a lot of protein. 31 grams of protein, which the naked only have 4 grams. So I'm like, is this gonna be good? But we're about to try it. I hope it's not nasty. Ugh. surprisingly, it's not nasty. It's not nasty at all. It doesn't really, I mean, you can taste the strawberry, but it wouldn't be something that I'll do all the time. Anyway, let's get to the gym. Okay. Work on this. Working on it. I'm working on it. Give me time. I'm working on it. All right. Bye. All right, y'all. We at the gym. Meet me at the gym. It's going down. Meet me at the gym. It's going down. So we're at the gym right now. And it's about that time. Time to get it in. I haven't been here in so long. So let's go work it out. All right. Bye.
Your secret admirer. I've been watching you. My body is your body, baby. Nobody's invited but you, baby. We can do it slow now. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it off. 'Cause tonight it's going down. Tell your boys it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. At night I think of you. I want to be your lady. Maybe if your game is on, give me a call. If your love is strong, gonna give my all to you. At night I think of you. I want to be your lady. Now we in the zone now. Don't stop.
So y'all, now I'm in Walmart. I go to get some laundry and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to try that blend. My mom used to do this, blend all the detergents. Do y'all use this? I use this for my toilet. And I got this because I need to make sure that my drains stay clear, because they charge $100 every time somebody come out. So I got that. I'm gonna use these baking soda and then these borax. I don't got no smaller box. I see people with the other Arm & Hammer, but I just use the baking soda. Pure baking soda. I says it has a laundry boost, but whatever. Have you ever used those tie on the go things? Sometimes I'll be dropping stuff on my clothes. Or should I get this one? How much is this one? This OxyClean was $8. And this one is $9. White Revive. This one says White Revive. And this one is Stain Remover. I'm going to try this one first. I don't know. Which one do y'all use? This one is an odor boost. The powders are so much more expensive. $6, $8. It says safe on colors. No chlorine. It's chlorine free. I'm gonna use this one. And then the Ariel, this is something we always use. stuff. I need some. I want something that's gonna make the bathroom smell really, really good. Let me try this one. Because I'll just get these ones. Oh, the snuggle. This is 132. This was close tight. Hey y'all, all right, back from Walmart, about to go home now. But I just discovered that my husband must have bumped my car with his car. Cause what? I'm over here like looking at my car. Girl, why did I walk past why did I walk past my car? Because here I am thinking, no, this can't possibly be my car because my car was not like this. What are we doing? What are we doing? Like, look behind you, you idiot. What the hell? You're just dumb. I know you got a little camera on that car. The hell? But, yeah. So, I'm looking at my car. I literally walked past my car. That was the crazy part. I just walked past it because I was like, no, this must be somebody else's car that's like mine. But then I was like, no, this is my car. But you can tell that it's fresh, like it's freshly done, because we've been to the car wash, and the paint, the paint is still like, you know, like it was scraped. So yeah, he about to get this fixed, cause I don't know if he came home last night and was too tired from work and didn't realize it, but yeah, girl, what? I was just like looking, and I'm like, unless somebody bagging out of Walmart just did that shit. This way you can go to ghetto ass Walmart. So I don't know, but I'm gonna ask him. First of all, I'm gonna blame him. I'm gonna blame him first and foremost. Then, if he be like, nah, I didn't, nope, it wasn't me, then I'm gonna say it's somebody, some janky ass person at Walmart. And I should ask Walmart for their camera so that I can see what the hell if somebody hit my car, because yeah, they bumped into my car. What time was I at Walmart? Alright y'all, so we're in my neighborhood Dollar Tree. Look at these, they're so cute. Can I throw a party? These are plastic ones. Look at this, margarita cup. That's cute. These are cute. Aww. Can I throw a party somewhere? We could do the ice drinks in here. It's cute. And then they have these stuff for the, ooh, I love these, the luau. Let's have a luau. Are you guys into it? These are the drink pouches. I like these. I want to get them drink pouches. Oh, look at Starbucks is selling these for $2, $3, and $4 with the straw. What does this say? Let's flamingo. And then what is the purple say? Sweet summer. Oh, I like it. I'm gonna get this one. That's cute. Summer vibes. All right, y'all. I caved. Got my Starbucks. If y'all heard what me and the lady was saying in Dollar Tree, I should not have Starbucks, but I do. I do. Because I needed something. I needed to pick me up. I know my daughter's going to be ready to go. And I already told her about it. So the fact that I told her about it already puts it on that. Here you go. What are you doing? I think people are something else. I already told her about it, so she's gonna be looking forward to going. So pick me up. Let's do our laundry box mix. Hey y'all, so I'm back, makeup done, but what's going on? We getting ready to go hang out, mom and daughter. Cause she's getting ready to go away to college. And who I'm gonna hang out with? Him. Oh, he turned over. Oh, McDonald's is right there. Huh? McDonald's was right across the street. You better just drive right through. I already ordered it. But yeah. So I did a little light beat going on.
We gotta
This
eat it like
is all
he did,
Nyla's doing. Like bite into it?
No, we gotta like pick it up.
Oh no. This is all Nyla's doing.
Let's go. You gotta try it by yourself first. Don't get no ice again. Oh, I got a very chocolatey piece. Right to cheers.
Cheers.
How do I get a chocolate chip all the way down here?
Maybe I tried the bottom piece and it was not good.
I'll put it with the ice cream. That's what the ice cream is for.
Tequila and ice cream does not go together. But yeah, don't get that. That's a 3 out of 10, and maybe a 4 with the ice cream. A 4 out of 10. The overall meal? What would you give the overall meal?
7.5.
7.5 out of 10. I can agree with that. It was just, we were full. Whatever.
Crazy. See a lot of
She just say crazy stuff just to get attention.
What she say?
She just
Oh yeah, she said she a cloud chaser. That's her job.
She in what?
She's a cloud chaser.
Yeah.
And then I was like, the cloud chasing has to stop.
Who said that?
Natalie.
We going into Target.
Her.
We incognito though. We incognegros. We going into Target. The July.
That's hot for
It is, but still. We know black. We know black.
Look at them.
Me Dominican. Me no black.
King really think you Puerto Rican? Because every tip they keep lying to him, saying that I talk about Puerto Rican, so they Puerto Rican. And King was really believing it. He's like, oh yeah, I'm Puerto Rican. That's why my hair is like. Look at.
Jen and just, what is that?
Why put in a
College dorm room shopping. Cause we're in Target. Oops.
You think Home Goods is shorter?
It's not Home Goods. It's at home.
At home. Oh, I need one of these.
Aw.
It's weighted.
You don't need that.
Yes,
John.
I do.
Look it. There you go. What is this? A wire basket.
I need dirty clothes base. Preferably with a top.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need this. I need this.
This is my free item that I'm gonna get to review. Oh, this is cute. Little storage bin.
Oh yeah.
And you can sit on.
You
Can you
know-
sit on it? I don't
No,
think
that's
so.
what an ottoman is. And that looked too thin to be honest. Look at. Oh, I need something like, but like you know the ones that you
That's a
build
kid's storage. This is kids' room.
up. No, yeah, we went.
No, look at
Oh, look at that. I need that.
this is.
Look at this is only $10.
Girl, what you need that for? You don't even wear that
I
kind of
got a
stuff.
little bit of stuff.
Well, get it. But we might find one at home.
You're right.
I say we shop at home.
I need this stuff.
Beauty organizer. I feel like we could get
Not
those
even
from
just now.
Amazon if we don't get that.
Yeah, that's right. Everything
Even
is
look
like,
at this, because the one I got you from Walmart was $2.
Like, get this, but like you don't have to get it now. But like, no, I want this.
Look at this, child. If she don't get out of here carrying that thing around, thinking somebody about to buy that.
Yeah, I was.
You a hater.
No, I'm just. This is all Lakewood. What the heck?
Because we're in Lakewood.
Wilson don't got this in the Long Beach next.
Well,
Okay, I understand Cal State Long Beach and USC. Okay, but USC is not even in Long Beach.
where do you see USC?
Look on the other side.
Well, they always sell USC stuff. Yeah, they always sell USC stuff, but Lakewood, huh? Look at Lakewood, y'all in Target? Oh, Nyla's a hater right now.
I'm not hating. I'm just like confused.
She's baffled of why is Lakewood High School stuff in Lakewood's
He
Target?
just went by and said that's his high school.
Oh, see?
These kids.
Yeah, so we are leaving Target. I just had to get that free item so that I can review it. And we're headed to At Home to pick up a little bit of her dorm room necessities. And then I don't know what we're gonna do after that. We'll find. The dogs are catching everybody's attention. We at home. Get basketball.
Where we need to go.
Home to
Go straight through Bed Bath and
organize.
Windows.
I didn't bring a, what is the thing called, Nada, where I can hold it?
Tripod?
Yeah, I didn't bring a tripod or nothing, so I'm probably not gonna get too much footage in here because
Like these ones, like the cube organizers. And you can like,
you might get those at Walmart for the cheapest place. Because I've seen some actually in Walmart.
show them the first thing so far.
What do we have?
Extension cord.
The girl here grabbed this extension cord because this is our first thing. I'm just saying. I'm not saying. So I'm saying if we see it, it's somewhere around here.
Oh, look at this ugly thing. And the lighter blue. Like switch the colors. And then maybe keep the pills blue. And then this blue.
Well, you don't want to get super light stuff because you don't want to have to definitely wash every. Like it's okay to have to wash, but to wash, but you know, if you're showering, putting lotion on and stuff like that, it's gonna get dirty quick. You'll be washing your blankets every 2 to 3 days.
It's SpongeBob.
That is cute. The hat.
4 years way back.
We still searching. You don't need a desk pad?
I was about to say, you just took a picture. Because I heard the picture thing.
Oh yeah, that was an accident. Oh, look at that.
They got people to clean the toilets.
I'm not talking for you. I said I need one of
You
these.
said y'all.
No, I
Literally,
didn't.
go watch the video back.
Literally watch.
You said y'all.
Oh, look at that. I need one of these. Cover up the toilet. Temu. Temu. You could get one of those from Temu. That's gonna be blue. The color of your side of the room. All your stuff.
My whole stuff don't have to be blue.
Why would you switch up the colors and start putting black? Black is a death color. I'm not black, I'm brown. Oh! No. Almost. Temu. What is this? I don't know what that is.
Look at the top.
Oh. Storage box. But I mean like actual drawer organizers where you put inside your drawer. You ain't gonna need this.
What's that?
Storage big buckets.
Mine.
No.
Just mine. I need something to put on like that.
Hello. What do you have on your list? That's what we should start.
Well, for the room?
Yeah, for your Amazon list. Like, what do you have on there that you might need? Are you gonna need a step stool?
Yes, definitely. Look at this, and you can store it in it too.
Yeah, that's $30. That one is not so high.
What?
That one. Well, I know you ain't gonna go up that high. You ain't gonna need to go that high. Just a little bit of height.
The closet has a little bit of, or if we want to put like thingies and stuff on top or something like that.
Oh, well then you might need a little bit higher than this. I think your dad has a step stool too. He does.
Oh, look.
Yeah, that's why I told you that you could get these from Walmart for cheaper. Who's gonna put them together? Yeah, Dad?
Yup. Oh, look it. Wait, I just don't like that it doesn't come off.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I need something that opens up. I mean, not opens up. You know what I mean?
Here, right here.
No.
What?
Like, something I can, like, just pick up and
Here.
just take it.
That's what I'm showing you.
Oh. And it does come off.
Yes. Don't get this. I had this and it just beat all up.
Fall apart. Which blue? Should I get this three?
There's 3. Where's the third one? Well, I'll get that one.
Yeah. It's gonna be in the closet. Hide.
Well, then why'd you ask?
Ew, when I take my laundry, they're gonna see my doodle stains.
Ew. All up in my
Look at
video.
What? Wait, look it. This would be cute, actually.
We ain't doing that. We ain't doing cute. We're doing sustainable.
Yeah, for the laundry detergent and stuff.
Yeah, that's. Oh, and this one is only $10. That is perfect. Why is
What
this
a
one?
deal.
Why is that one $10.99 and this one not $10?
Where did my phone go?
Oop. Oh, here goes some taller ones. Look, is these ones taller or are these the same ones? Oh, they 13 inches.
Oh, steps.
They are 13 inches. The other ones was 9 inches. Huh? I don't know. I don't know if that's like a necessity or are you gonna need that? Well, you ain't supposed to get everything that y'all need. Community.
Yeah.
Right. Even though I don't think you got everything that y'all need. You didn't get nothing that y'all need community
Well,
wise.
we separated it. That's it.
Well, what's your... Oh, that's for me.
Mine is the blue and hers is pink. It keeps going. Wow. What are you looking at?
All right, y'all. So we got some college stuff. I'm gonna let her give y'all a haul when we get home, cause I'm telling y'all, when it's her turn to shop, she be all ready for it. She was trying to have me walk around that store 5 times.
What?
And I was just like, I'm tired. Then she wanted to talk about, are we going to Walmart?
Because you kept mentioning Walmart.
Girl, no, we is not going to Walmart. But, we got some stuff out of the way. We didn't get everything, but we got some things. She still got a long way to go. But, do you still got a long way to go? Like I said, I'll let her show y'all what she got. And, you know, y'all want to donate to the college fund. We are not opposed to donations. Oh, I went down the wrong aisle. We are not opposed to donations. Every little bit helps. Every little bit counts. We trying to get this kid out of here into school. So yeah. All right, but we are headed to the house. And hopefully, well, I know I gotta do some cleaning when I get home, so. It's kind of windy outside. What the heck? Where did the wind come from?
It's like a storm. Look outside. Look at the clouds coming.
It's supposed to be like 80 again tomorrow. It's not about to storm. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all at the casa. Okay. Bye.